everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, I will walk you through the locking rod for 3-piece EPS wolf port mode. In each of 4 corners are equipped with a locking rod. During install the EPS mode to the EPS shipping molding machine by locking this rod tightly to lock this movable mold and fixed mold together. After the mold is installed in the machine, it needs to be separate the movable mold and fixed mold by losing the screw in the 4 corners, so it won't damage the mold during opening the mold. Today, let's give you a close look so you can see the whole process from a different angle. Here we go! If you have any question, please let us know. We love questions. Questions are great that give us ideas for future content. So, if you've got something you want to see me cover, please let me know about it. I'll see you next video.